This is a piece of a dollar bill. It represents business at its core. A business is a device from which dollar bills exit and into which dollar bills arrive. The idea is that fewer will leave than arrive, thereby accumulating assets inside the business and permitting transfer of some of retained dollar bills to the business owners and shareholders. Whether this happy result occurs or not, and if so, to what extent, is largely determined by how efficient the business operators are with the dollars entering and exiting. Ideally, many or most of the dollars departing act as homing pigeon dollars. They leave briefly, only to return fatter than when they left. The dollar returns as $1.30, $1.80, $2.20, or $22. It is then divided back up into dollars, each a new homing pigeon dollar, each released out the window into the wild, each returning fatter than when it left, and again and again. This is called direct response advertising and direct marketing. This is where I live. Not to be confused with ordinary advertising, which is a very, very lazy and unreliable pigeon. A dollar bill can, sadly, be reduced to a piece of itself before exiting to go to work. A weakened, wounded homing pigeon dollar. By various kinds of ignorance, stupidity, and malfeasance, a dollar scheduled to leave on a mission can be reduced to 70 cents, 60 cents, 40 cents before getting a chance to get out there and get to work. This tragedy is going on in your business right now. You'll know where to look for it by this book. A dollar bill can happily become $1.10, $1.30, $2 magically before exiting to go to work. A stronger, mightier, more effective homing pigeon dollar. By various kinds of know-how, creativity, and cleverness, a dollar scheduled to leave on a mission can be increased by 40 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents before getting out there and getting to work. This exciting alchemy can go on in your business. You'll know how by this book.